much pressure. A very adult and mature looking yellow jersey performance there. Looks like you've had a day in control rather than being hammered by the opposition.
Well, I had a great team behind me, so I wasn't really under pressure the whole day, except on long tom when I had to cover quite a few moves. But after that, I waited for two of my teammates. I was patient, and they managed to get back and help me to the finish. And yeah, in the end, I just wanted to help Ryan in the lead up, and that was the least I could have done for him for the work he did for me.
Well, I just chatted to Herman Forshey. You might have heard the interview. He said it's certainly not over by a long way. Today they gave you an easy ride. Tomorrow it'll be quite different.
Yeah, tomorrow is quite a big day. I'm not going to lie, I'm quite scared. Especially, I don't really think Boulders is a climb to be scared of. It's the 50 Ks to Barberton and then the finish up Hilltop. So it's going to be quite a tactical race and a lot of nervous people.
Now, I'm not sure if you're aware, but your car keys were missing for most of the morning until they were eventually found in your better half's handbag.
I don't really know what to say. I hope she's fine.
Now, I say, so your prediction for tomorrow, have you got the legs to hold on? Or do you reckon the boys are going to come in waves, or should we look out for another man in green going for the yellow?
Like I said, it's Nelspruit has one of the hardest terrains in South Africa. The route is undulating. Anything can happen, you know, on a 5K climb you can blow completely and lose, let's say, 5 minutes. So it's very unpredictable.
Now, I say,